Hi class, today I'll be talking about chapter 11, outlining the speech. There's many reasons why I kind of skip ahead in our book and go to chapter 11. Outlines are essential to effective speeches. An outline helps a speaker see the full scope and content of the speech at a glance. It also helps a speaker judge whether each part of the speech is fully developed, and it helps create a coherent structure for the speech. You'll be preparing two outlines in this class. The first one is the preparation outline. This is the one that I will collect and grade. The next one is the delivery outline. This one you'll use for your presentation. So plan on creating two outlines, but remember that I will only see the preparation working outline. I will never see the delivery outline. So let's get started. The preparation outline, like I said, this is the one that I will be grading. It's a detailed outline developed during the speech preparation. It's really useful to plan your speech. And the process of writing a preparation outline requires a speaker to bring together the major elements of the speech. So here are some things that you'll be required to have. The great thing about it though, when you use my skeleton outline, all of this stuff will already be in there. So please use my outline. You're not required to have a title. I put them on the top of the page for you. You can if you'd like. And also, like I said in the last lecture, bibliographies are only required if you have outside sources. Everything else though will be required. So there are 8 guidelines for effective preparation outlines. Please review these carefully because remember what I said, this is part of your grade. The preparation outline should include the speaker's specific purpose statement. I will make sure that you put this on there. I have it at the top of each of your outlines in this class. In addition, you'll also state what organizational pattern you'll be using. You're not going to need to do that for the introductory outline because we haven't taught those yet, but all the other ones you will have to let me know. The preparation outline should include the speaker's central idea. This is the thesis statement in your outline, and the preparation outline should clearly label the introduction, body, and conclusion of the speech. Don't worry, I have done this for you. The preparation outline should have a consistent pattern of symbolization and indentation. Again, I already have done this for you. And the preparation outline should state main points and subpoints in full sentences. Your delivery outline will be more vague, but the one you turn into me should definitely be more detailed. The preparation outline should label transitions, internal summaries, and internal previews. I will be teaching this later in the class. If you have outside sources, you'll need a bibliography, and you can also have a title of your speech if you'd like. I have my outline, my sample introductory outline in the modules in Canvas, so please look at that for guidance. Like I said before, every outline will have a visual framework, symbolization, and indentation showing the relationships among ideas. Luckily, I have already given this to you in the required skeleton outline, so you don't have to worry about this. So here's an example of what the outline would look like. The only thing you'll have to add, if you have sub-points in your outline, I do not have those in there, so you'll have to add them in yourself. But I have the main points and the sub-points already in the outline for you. Bibliographies will only be required for the informative and persuasive speeches because those two speeches require outside sources. But if you decide to use outside sources in your other two speeches, you must have an accompanying bibliography. I'll accept these in either APA or MLA. Just make sure you're consistent with your citing. So once you've prepared your preparation outline, once that's completed, a speaking outline can be drawn up. A speaking outline is a brief outline used to deliver a speech. And the primary purpose of the speaking outline is to help you, the speaker, remember what to say. So it includes keywords, phrases from the preparation outline. It includes any essential statistics or quotations that you might not want to forget. And it even includes cues to direct and sharpen a speaker's delivery. So remember, the speaking outline I will never see. That being said though, there are still some guidelines that you want to probably make sure you're following. Speaking outlines are especially effective for extemporaneous speeches. And remember, there's that word again. Those are the types of speeches you're doing in our class. Not manuscript, not memory, not impromptu, they're extemporaneous. So the speaking outline should follow the same visual framework used in the preparation outline, either on paper with very large font or note cards. So the speaking outline should be legible. You want to make sure that you use large font and write legibly so you can see what you're talking about. The speaking outline should be as brief as possible. Too much information may hinder your communication and eye contact. The speaking outline could also include delivery cues. For example, if you find you speak too fast and don't pause enough, write the word pause on your delivery outline in the places where you want to pause. I've done it, it works. Should you speak louder? Put it in there. Do you find you don't smile in your speeches? Place smiley faces. I've done this for people, and I'm sure it will definitely make you smile. All right, so those are the basics of Chapter 11. So now what I'd like you to do after reading the chapter, look over the outline in the two outlines in the modules. Look over my outline that I've given you for my introductory speech example. Look over the introductory speech outline that you will be using. Remember, you're filling it in. On the day of your speech, you are bringing it in and handing it to me. So if you plan on using your outline for your introductory speech, you must bring in 2 copies. Before the speeches are due, please let me know any questions you may have. Good luck!